To create a root folder in Secret Server, you must have a role with the administer folder and create root folder permissions. These permissions are included only in the administrator role by default, but can be added to other default or custom roles if desired. Since my account is a member of the administrator role, I am able to create a root folder by right-clicking Secrets on the left-hand sidebar and choosing Add Root Folder. To create a subfolder in Secret Server, you must have the administer folder permission and also edit or owner permission to the parent folder. I can check that by right-clicking root folder, edit folder, and you can see that I'm the owner of this folder. Since I'm the owner of this folder and I'm a member of the administrator role, I'm able to create a subfolder by right-clicking the root folder and choosing Add Subfolder.